And the next guitar is the one that's made out of spruce. So the top of this is made out of spruce. And this is a kind of a modern type of guitar as well, because the rest of this guitar is made out of a kind of plastic material. It's like a laminate, it's like loads of bits of wood all mashed up and then stuck back together again. So the only bit of real wood on the top is spruce, like you said. So the spruce is usually this bright coloured wood. Can you see that? And then the rest of it is made of a kind of a plastic type material. Yeah, question?
It looks like really different
to the other one. I'll hold them up together and you can see there's a few differences, isn't there? This one's bigger. You see it's bigger at the body of the guitar, because there's different parts of the guitar. So does anyone know the different parts of them? This bit's called the head. So if this bit's called the head, what's this bit called?
The neck.
Yeah, and what's this bit called? The body. Very good. Did you already say that?
Yeah.
Well, so you can see on this, the steel string guitar, the body's a lot bigger, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's a slightly different shape. It's a bit taller, is it?
Yeah.
Slightly taller. So let's see what the steel string guitar sounds like. So this is the steel strings now. So it should sound kind of a lot brighter, doesn't it? Strumming it. And will I try it? That's actually a song by an Irish musician called Van Morrison. Have you heard of Van Morrison? That's a song by him. So if we can use our fingers for this as well, because a lot of these type of guitars were used to play kind of folk and blues music, and they're great for singing along as well. So I'll play you a couple of songs, and then will we sing that "Who Fed the Chicken" song with this guitar. But there's a lot of stuff called blues. Has anyone heard blues music? Recognize those type of songs?
I heard that in a movie before.
Yeah, so I'll play a little bit of a blues song here. You can tell me what country blues is from. You might recognize that bit of it. What country is the blues from?
South America?
No.
America.
North America.
That's what I was
Yeah. Are you going to say that? Yeah. So that's a real American folky bluesy kind of song.